Hi friends, this is my first lecture about the algebra. So I will explain what is algebra first. It will take 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, algebra is actually the part of mathematics like the trigonometry and other parts. So this is a part of the mathematics in which letters and other general symbols are used to represent numbers and quantities. So letters like X, Y and Z which represents the numbers, and also the symbols so which represent the numbers and the quantity and formulae and equations. So this is algebra. So in your IGCSE, algebra is divided into two parts. Okay, the first one is algebra 1 and second one is algebra 2. Okay, so today we will discuss about the algebra 1 and it's okay some of the things, some of the topics from algebra 1. Okay, so in algebra 1 we will just solve the two numbers. We will add up the two numbers. The first number is negative numbers. Okay, what are the negative numbers? A negative number is a real number that is less than 0. Negative numbers represents opposites. Okay, if positive represent a movement to the right, negative represent a movement to the left. So this is negative, against. So directed numbers which have a direction and a size are called the directed numbers. I will solve some questions how to add up the numbers with the negative and positive signs. Okay, you will get this. Okay, so our next exercise is okay from the negative numbers and the directed numbers about the addition, the subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, so I am solving the exercise now. So friends, here are exercise questions. Okay, so question number 2 is plus 11 plus into plus 200. So what will be the answer? I am writing here with the blue pen. Okay, with the blue pen I am writing here, not a blue, purple. Okay, so plus 11 and then now here the plus into plus, so I wrote here plus into plus is equal to plus. When you will multiply plus to the plus, so the answer will be plus. So I am writing here plus into plus, so plus. Now no need to write the bracket. Okay, so in 200. So now plus and plus, both signs are same, so we will put the same sign, so signs are same, so plus. So 200 plus 11, 211. Or simply you can write, because in the we don't write plus, we consider this is a plus, so no need to write the plus again. So this is 211, the answer is 211. So next question is question number 8 here. So we will put is equal to, because okay, after this, so minus 8 plus into minus 27. So plus into minus, I wrote here plus into minus is equal to minus, the sign is minus, so I will write here minus 8, and then I will write I will multiply plus into minus, so this is minus sign. So again no need to write again the bracket. So now signs are same. When signs are same, so what we will do, we will write the same sign here. Then we will add up both the numbers, because both are negative numbers. So what we will do, we will add up. Sign will remain same. So 27 plus add up. So this is 35. So minus 35 is the answer. Now look here, the next question is plus 9 minus into plus 15. So minus into plus is equal to minus. Okay, minus. So I am writing here minus into plus, minus. So plus 9. So minus into plus, minus 15. So here, now look, both signs in question number 2 and 8, those were the same signs. Okay, both numbers are the same signs, so there's no, but here the signs are different. So look here, which number is greater? 9 is greater or 15 is greater? So 15 is greater, so 15 have a sign, has a sign of minus. So how much it is greater than 9? So this is 6. So minus 6 is the answer. Now we are moving to question number 53. Minus 2 minus into minus 8.7. First, what we will do, we will okay, I am writing is equal to minus 2. So minus into minus, minus into minus, plus. So we will put here plus. Okay, because now no need for bracket, because bracket was with the minus 8.7. So as we multiplied this sign inside, so no need to write the bracket. Okay, so plus 8.7. Now look here, which sign we will put here? Which is the greater number, 2 or 8.7? 8.7, so we will put here plus. What is the difference between both? So the difference is, because these are opposite numbers, so we will know the difference. Okay, so the difference is 6.7. Why? You will look here, this is 6.7 is 6.7. okay, the answer is 6.7. So this multiplication exercise number 3 and exercise number 4, we will multiply and divide the numbers. So question number 11 from exercise 3 is minus 8 divided by plus 2. So we write is equal to minus 8. For divide sign we will write down. Okay, same rule will apply. Minus as in the multiplication, minus into plus minus. So same here, when you will divide, same rule will apply. Minus divided by plus, the sign will be minus. Okay, now cut these numbers, divide these numbers. 2 1 is 2. If you will divide, if you want to divide both numbers with 2, so 2 1 is 2 and 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. So this is minus sign is here, so I am writing here 4 by 1. So this is equal to minus, and 4 by 1 is equal to 4, so minus 4 is the answer. Now question number 35. Here you will multiply, you have to multiply the numbers, you have to write equal signs. Now here this is plus and here is minus. So first multiply these signs. Okay, so look here, there's a plus outside. Okay, plus outside, there's no sign, so plus into minus minus, you can write here minus 2 into minus 1000. Okay, now here is plus sign, so plus into minus, you know the rule in the multiplication, when we will multiply the plus into minus sign, the answer will be minus. Now multiply this 0.2 into 1000. So this is very simple. The point is here, it will move 3 places to the right. Okay, now 1 place here, 2 3. Why? There were 3 zeros, that's why this point moved to the right 3 places. So here it's now minus 200. 3 places moved to the right to adjust these 3 zeros. So minus 2 is the answer. Now question number 4, exercise number 4, question number 22. So we will put here equal sign and minus 60 into minus. So I told you the rule, minus into minus plus. So 60 into 40. So you have to only multiply these numbers, 6 and 4. So 6 4s are 24. And you have 2 zeros, one is this, other is this, so you have to put here 0 0. So the answer is 2400. For plus sign, no need to write the sign here again. So question number 41. So the question is minus 3 whole square minus 7. So you have to So this mean minus, you can write in different ways. So I'm writing the simple way, minus 3. This means minus 3 into minus 3. The power is 2, you have to write 2 times. If the power is 3, let's suppose 3, so you have to write 3 times. So here's power 2, so I wrote 2 times into minus 7. So first minus into minus plus, according to the rule. So 3 into 3, 9, minus 7. Now which number is greater, because we have different signs and we are multiplying or subtracting the numbers. So which sign is which number is greater? 9 have a positive sign, so how much greater? 2. Okay, 2 units. So I write plus 2, so the exact answer is 2. No need to write plus again, so answer is 2. So this is very easy exercise.